question 2. Now, question 2 is an analogy question. We can recognize it because it uses the word analogous. Analogy questions, they're very similar to inference questions. We basically need to take our understanding of a part of the passage and then find something that's similar to that part of the passage. So here, the thing that we're looking for an analogy to would be to the achievements that the author attributes to Dove. So those achievements are in the 4th paragraph, where she takes some poetry and puts some fiction in it, and where she takes her fiction and puts some poetry in it. So that's what we're going to be looking in for in the answer choices. Now the answer choices are going to give us all sorts of different subject areas. And remember, this is an analogy, so the subject doesn't matter. It just has to have the same kind of character. Somebody taking 2 different techniques from 2 different areas and kind of mixing them together. So answer choice A. A chef combines non-traditional cooking methods. Well, the combination is good, but he's not combining those traditional cooking methods with some other cooking methods. He's using traditional ingredients from disparate world cuisines. So we need it to mix 2 different kinds of the same thing. So answer choice A is not analogous. Go to B. So B is wrong because our professor is not using his professorly skills in film directing. The professor just learned about film and then went on to be a film director. So there's no mixing here. It's just somebody going between 2 different jobs. So answer choice C. An actor who is also a theatrical director teams up with a public health agency to use street theater to inform the public about health matters. Well, the actor isn't mixing one type of acting with another type of acting. They're just putting acting to a new purpose, the new purpose being educational public health stuff. So we don't have 2 different types of things mixing, so C is not our answer. Go to answer choice D. So answer choice D says there's a choreographer who defies convention, which is good because Dove defied convention. She's against the usual view. And choreographs dances that combine elements of both ballet and jazz dance. So hey, she's mixing 2 different types of dance together, just like Rita Dove mixes 2 different types of writing together. This is what we want. Answer choice D is our answer. So we would pick D, but just to say why E is wrong. So E says, a rock musician records several songs from previous decades, but introduces extended guitar solos into each one. So I suppose there's a kind of mixing here, but it's not mixing one type of music with another type of music. It's just putting guitar solos in other songs. For this to be 2 different types, we would need to know that the previous decades didn't have guitar solos, and then these guitar solos are like informing the type of rock music. It's not the same thing at all. So answer choice E is not our answer. Answer choice D is.